What's up everybody? Today I'm going down to Evolutionary Performance. I have to fix my downpipe because my downpipe actually has a bunch of holes in it and it's not sealing properly. So I'm going to go down to Evolutionary Performance. Hopefully Cody will help me weld it, and my car will be that much closer, but it's pretty much running really good right now. It's just that one little thing. So I'm just gonna head down to the shop. Hopefully Cody will help me weld it, and then we'll get some quick clips. Today's video might be a little short, but I hope you guys like it, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I think it's a 14.
Steve,
come get me under the car.
What are you doing?
Dude, I'm just making things more legitness. Always legitness. Ooh, I'm missing maybe a bolt though.
I think what we're doing is fixing problems.
Yeah, we are. We're always fixing problems. Guys, look at this. The bolt came out for me on its own.
Oh,
how
great.
Nice of it. It knew I was gonna take it out, so it just popped out.
Oh, hey, Doug.
What's that?
There's a Doug.
Hi, Doug.
Oh. Oh, he's protecting his sister. You got this, Steve.
I'm going. It's almost there. That's what she said. All right. I think I got it. Yep. She's out, boy. I just gotta pull. That one's disconnected already. It's just gonna be hot. Oh, look. Damn, I like this shirt too. Good. I'll do it on the inside at least. Maybe it'll be salvageable. Subscribe, guys. Help me get another shirt, because this one got dirty in the process.
Yeah, this shop wouldn't have a rag or something else we could have used.
Actually, maybe pull that out.
He's over here doing something.
Dude, downpipe's almost out, but one more O2 sensor.
It's a big wrench you got there.
Yeah, it's got some good torque, I bet. Ooh, she's loose. Yeah, I know. Just a loosey goosey.
Loosey goosey.
All right.
Don't you dare. Don't do it.
I need to be a little bit looser. Ow, but it's so hot. What I do for you guys?
Gloves.
To make these videos. Fuck gloves.
Gloves.
It'll waste time.
Rag.
Oh,
Take a break.
never. It's out. Legit. She gone. How to install pipe. How to take out. How to install a downpipe on a wall. That's what I meant to say.
It looks interesting.
Hold on, my AC line. It's so hot, guys. Like, I'm trying, but oh, it's so hot. Oh. Look at that. Harbor Freight welded. Fucking.
Let's get. I need to get a close up.
Wait. Show the good welds first.
What is this?
Show the good welds first.
Okay. What is this?
Look, I welded that.
What
okay.
the fuck?
Look at these welds. I welded that.
Nice.
That's when I got carried away. I just started.
What is this?
Well, I had to bash that in a little bit.
This?
Let's go see what Cody.
Well, what does Cody think of it?
That's what I'm saying. If it's full of fucking oil.
Cody, what do you think of this?
My downpipe.
You built this?
100%. This part from here is a catless downpipe from eBay. The rest is welded.
What'd you weld this with?
A Harbor Freight welder, 110 voltage, the cheapest, like $100 one.
Where's it leaking at?
I don't know if it's leaking, but see this crack right here?
All the way across?
Yep.
That's
Yeah, we can
100%
weld
leaking.
And then maybe a few down here, but those don't really matter.
Where did this piping come from? Where'd you get this?
I just bought it. I just went to an exhaust shop, said, could you please bend me a 90-degree piece so I could weld it on?
And it ended up like that.
Well, I had to bash it in. You see, it was getting a little
That looks like
mashed,
you
but,
hit it with a hammer 5 billion times.
Fucking
yeah, dude, that's...
I remember
why did Mazda
that.
have to make that so tight? Yeah, mine doesn't have those fancy settings.
It's got all the things.
It has on and off.
It has on and off?
No, I think it has a little bit more, but it's pretty basic. Oh. That blow off valve though. What's wrong with this car, Cody?
Smoke's right, I guess.
Must be stock turbo. Who would have guessed? Smokes at idle. Guys, so I got my downpipe welded at Evolutionary Performance. Thank you, Cody, so much for helping. Shout out to you. The welds look really good, and hopefully my downpipe will seal now. But if you guys want to check Evolutionary Performance out on Facebook, I'll leave their Facebook down in the description. They do a lot of great work. It's not only just Mazdas, they work on other cars, but they specialize in Mazdas and they do an amazing job. Love the shop, show them some support. Also, the music in the video is my friend's music. I'll leave a link in the description, but it's Tommy's song that he made and it sounds really good. But if you guys like today's video, please like and subscribe. And also, tomorrow's video is going to be an install of this beautiful bucket seat. I already have one installed. As you can see, I already have one bucket seat, but my passenger seat is still the stock one. So I'm gonna be doing a whole how-to video on this bucket seat. So be sure to like, subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.